Good evening everyone. This is Harsh Sapra and you are watching Janu Junction. Well, बिहार elections are on the verge. मतलब सर पर आ खड़े हुए. इसी के साथ साथ political parties are also battling in their own manner. आरोप प्रत्यारोप तो राजनीति में चलता ही रहता है, तो आइए इसी की बात करते हैं. JDU leader Nitish Kumar have now launched blustering attacks on RJD, where JDU is highlighting the crime situation and lack of development during RJD's tenure in the past. और साथ ही साथ ये भी कहा कि we ended the jungle raj and established the rule of law. नीतीश जी चुप नहीं बैठे. उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि बिहार समुद्र किनारे नहीं है, इसीलिए इंडस्ट्रीज ग्रो नहीं कर सकते यहाँ. अब लालू जी कैसे चुप बैठ सकते थे? RJD chief Lalu Prasad Yadav on Sunday took a swipe at Bihar CM over his remark that absence of sea led to fewer industries in the state. Sharing a cartoon on Twitter, Lalu wrote, "Do you now want the Indian Ocean brought to Bihar before you set up industries? Don't hide your failures of 15 years behind tall statements. You are tired. Go rest." अब इलेक्शंस में एंट्री होती है कांग्रेस की, और हम कांग्रेस को कैसे भूल सकते हैं? बोले बिहार बदले सरकार, कांग्रेस का एक नया कैंपेन सॉन्ग. दिस ओनली टारगेट्स नीतीश गवर्नमेंट ओवर अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड क्राइम, बट that's not it. Congress again blustered Bihar government by telling that they should focus on changing COVID ringtone. The rest of the changes will be made by the Bihar citizens. This is what Congress said. अब एंट्री होती है शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा के सुपुत्र लव सिन्हा की. इसी दौरान उन्होंने कहा इन पटना नॉट टू अवेंज फादर्स लोकसभा डिफीट बट टू फाइट फॉर पीपल. ठीक है, अगर ये लोग ये कह रहे हैं तो हम ये भी मान लेते हैं. He said that he has decided to fight a battle on his political debut by challenging the BJP in its bastion in order to prove his mettle. On the other hand, JDU and BJP are fighting their elections on their own. नहीं, अलग नहीं, बस दिखाना नहीं चाहते हैं कि साथ है. And who is struggling in the middle of these two? Any guesses? Wait, let me tell you. LJP is struggling. And now they both have crossed all the limits to criticize LJP leader Chirag Paswan. From calling himself Hanuman of Modi ji and get criticized for the same statement by the right hand of Modi ji. Yes, you heard it correct. Amit Shah. Amit Shah said that. Amit Shah commented on his Hanuman of Modi remark, saying LJP president should not harbor any illusions. ये स्टेटमेंट कुछ इतना बुरा लगा चिराग पासवान को कि उन्होंने कहा that if BJP wants to attack, they can, but they should use words wisely. Well, this fight will continue till elections take place. We are not revealing any facts. हम तो बस आपको आईना दिखा रहे थे, so that you can vote accordingly. To be continued. चुनावी शतरंज में किसने क्या दाव खेला मैं बताती रहूँगी. This is Harsh Sapra and you are watching Janu Junction.